Hello, friends! I am very pleased to show you how important Tirolez is in people's lives. Come with me, I'll show you how we do it.
Every morning, my family gathers for a delicious breakfast at another day of our lives. And Tirolez cheeses and butter must be on our table because they are produced with the highest quality.
Come with me, I'll show you how we do it.
Throughout Brazil, sunrise tells us it's time to milk the cows. They are the source of 400,000 liters of milk a day that go to the 5 factories Tirolez owns in Minas Gerais, São Paulo, and Santa Catarina states, where cows feed on natural pasture. Making cheese is not hard, but making it right and continuously is the great challenge which Tirolez overcomes through flavor and quality. Check out the process and learn why Tirolez makes the flavor of the best cheeses. After receiving the milk, labs carry out physical, chemical, and microbiological analysis because good cheeses only come from good milk. The milk is then pasteurized in a continuous process in order to preserve only the microorganisms necessary for the cheese. Cheeses that require low-fat milk are standardized in the cream separator. In the manufacture, tanks receive the pasteurized milk. With the tank filled, lactic ferments, which account for the main part of the cheese, calcium chloride, and the rennet are added according to the type of cheese to be produced. After a brief rest, the milk clots, forming a flan. The consistency of the flan shows the cheesemaker the right moment for the cut. The cut is made by a support with blades that cut the curd into cubes, which sizes vary according to the type of cheese that will be produced. The more humid the cheese, the greater are the cut grains. When mixing the curd, the whey is separated from the lactic dough. Then, the whey is drained from the tank and used for the production of ricotta and several other foods after being concentrated in modern equipment. The blocks are laid in molds and then they are sent to a final pressing. The tanks unload the lactic dough in the presses, which function is to collect and compress the dough and then cut it into blocks. Mozzarella and provolone are stretched curd cheeses, and before being kneaded, they go through a mechanical stretching process that replaces the handcrafted process of stretching and kneading the dough and gives these cheeses a special texture. They are also kneaded, but they are not pressed. After a variable period of time in the molds, the cheese is removed from the mold and sent to the salting. At this stage, the cheese flavor hasn't emerged yet. The salting is done into a brine at 10 degrees Celsius, where the cheese stays for a variable period of time according to the type and size of the cheese being produced. The salting is bacteriostatic, that is, it stops the progression of bacteria and plays a very important role because it enhances flavor and forms the skin of the cheese. This period ranges from 15 minutes to 15 days. Then the cheeses are put to dry in cold chambers with controlled humidity and temperature or sent to the drying tunnel. The next step is the wrapping of the cheeses in plastic packages that are vacuum sealed and shrink wrapped through a semi-automatic process. The curdled cheese and gorgonzola get special attention before being wrapped. But there are cheeses which wrapping and packaging are an artistic and beautiful ritual. Finally, cheeses are put in cold chambers to mature so that they can acquire the desired flavor, aroma, and texture. Now the cheese has reached its full flavor. Cream cheeses and processed products such as ricotta cream, cottage, and soft curd cheese go through different packaging processes. And its manufacture starts not with the processing of the milk, but of the cheese and original lactic dough processing. At the end of the day, the factories and pieces of equipment are washed and sanitized for a process that will start over when the milk arrives on the following morning. Tirolez also takes care of the environment by concentrating the remaining whey from the manufactured for our next drying process, as well as by treating the effluents before disposing of them. This is the way for the cheese to get to the point of sale, where Tirolez promoters prepare and display the products, seeking to win customers over. It is for them that Tirolez makes their high-quality cheeses. Special cheeses from Europe offer distinct flavors and have eyes, such as Edam, the spherical cheese, Steppe, Gouda, Gruyere. Tirolez super mature cheeses, such as Parmesan and Reno, canned, have memorable flavors and intense aromas. Tirolez smoked cheese, originally from Italy, such as provolone, are a delight to the eye. Cheeses made for slicing, such as mozzarella and prato, are the joy of snacks and meals. They don't have skins and are shrink-wrapped and sealed in plastic packages. Tirolez fresh cheeses such as ricotta cream, cottage, and Minas Frescal are pure and have a high-quality standard. In 1994, Tirolez was the first dairy in Brazil to produce light cheeses low-fat. In 2008, the company innovates again with the launch of the nutritious and healthy ricotta cream. The Tirolez brand also provides the market with dairy products such as butter, with or without salt, and table cream. With this product line, Tirolez has earned the customer's trust, offering superior quality and careful shelf display. Such care and attention are provided by Tirolez Distribution Center, which operates through an electronic system that ensures the traceability of each product. All these qualities arise from the work of many people and are acknowledged by national and international consumers.
Tirolez, the flavor of the best cheeses. So long!